So what do you guys do when it's your best buddy's birthday? Comment below, please. You take them out walleye fishing. So we went to Lake Winnebago, we walleye fished, and we jigged. We had a pretty good day. Don't worry, we're in his boat, so I didn't get rid of the little one. Me and Joshua are still gonna be rocking that for years to come. So let's check it out. Happy birthday, buddy. It's like a school of sheep, isn't there?
Might not be a sheep that held on.
Holy cow.
This might be a walleye.
All right, well, you're gonna get tangled, so I can't reel that one in, but.
Get him. This guy. Nope.
It's another sheep.
Oh my gosh, you got it. Come on.
Happy birthday, Caleb! Can't believe we actually made this happen. I was just waiting for something bad to happen for either one of us, and like, oh, sorry, I gotta go to work, man.
I thought about that when I called you this morning. I was like, bet you thinks I'm calling to cancel.
All right. Yeah, there we go.
It's a sheep, but it could be. Yeah, it might be actually still surface.
No, that's a walleye.
Just a little fella.
Just a little fella. Happy birthday.
He's gonna go back. Thanks, buddy.
Whee!
Twisted.
Wow, he's low. Check it out, guys. Oh, he's gonna crash?
And when even like a 12-inch walleye bites, seriously, with an 1/8 ounce jig at 100 feet, you 100% know what it is.
Can't miss that one. There we go. Woohoo! He's 16.5 inches. Where are you putting it?
You like that?
Oh, how cool am I at measuring? Did I say 16.5? It's 16.
Must be a dry waller.
There you go, guys. That's a walleye.
Like top 50.
Oh, yeah! That was, he set the hook for me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I don't know. Yeah!
Must be nice.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Walleye! There you go, guys. Check it out. Man, they just love your little one. Did you switch to all little? Ooh. It's your Drake. Ooh. I don't think that's a sheep, is it? I don't think it is.
Yeah, it kind of is.
It's rolling, but.
Oh, it's a smallie again.
A smallie?
Smallmouth.
Huh. That's kind of fun. Yeah, he's putting up the best fight of the day, huh? Ooh, he's pretty. Get him in the boat, man. Where's the net when you need it?
We don't do nuts here.
Oh,
Trust the lead.
wow. He's probably 2.5, 3 pounds, huh?
2. Come on.
Yeah.
Just absolutely wound up.
Yeah. It's a pretty smallie, though.
Got some good calla.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Caleb.
Thanks, buddy.
Caleb's birthday sheep.
Oh.
No, 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 no.
Take him, he's on.
Oh, here's on. Look at that. Maybe I got Caleb's birthday sheep, too. Oh, he's a roller. He's a roller. If this is a walleye, you can have my jig box. Oh. Yeah.
Double sheep, double sheep. Double sheep, double sheep.
You think they're both sheep, huh?
It's the sheep's dog life for us.
Ugh.
Sheep dog.
Woo! A sheepy, sheepy, sheepy.
Oh, sheepy dog.
You sure it's a sheep?
100%. 100% sure. Oh,
Man, keep calling them sheep because
He's fighting just like a sheephead.
that's what you said last time.
Nice little 16-inch.
Yeah? Is it?
Yeah, here you go.
No, take it. Your idea.
My stupid idea. It's not very good.
Yeah.
Feels kind of sheepy. Very sheepy. All that for a sheep, buddy.
Ooh, what is it?
It's walleye. Nice. That's it. Hey!
Yeah! Here, let me show them off. So, all right, that's my walleye.
Nice job, buddy.
All right, guys. Well, that's a birthday day with this guy. Maybe next year you can reserve your spot, huh? What are you, $350 for the day?
Only when we limit out.